Hello there, and welcome to TradeNode. In today's video, was this the blow-off top to end this mighty rally? How did I short Bitcoin from the top? And where might Bitcoin retrace to before continuing on with the trend? And to start off today's video, we will be examining the top of Bitcoin closely and seeing the warning signs which suggested there was an imminent retracement. And without further ado, let's get onto the 4-hourly chart. And as you can see, prior to the massive retracement, there was a parabolic run in the price of Bitcoin, and it almost looked like it was going to go vertically at one point before going down. However, there were clear signals which suggested that Bitcoin was about to top. And the first one was that it was hitting key resistance from the prior rally in 2017. And if we go onto the daily and look at the resistance there, we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks of price action in this region, which created a formidable resistance. And furthermore, this region was also in the 0.618 to 0.65 Fibonacci retracement zone, which is also known as the golden pocket. It's called the golden pocket because when price reaches the golden pocket, it usually retraces there, as it is a key resistance level. This confluence with both price resistance and Fibonacci resistance was a very clear warning signal that Bitcoin was about to top. However, moving back to the Bitcoin top on the 1-hourly, we can see that it had formed a hanging man, which is a candle which wicks downwards and closes roughly where it opens to form a type of hammer candle. However, a hanging man candle forms at the top of a trend, and it suggests that selling pressure is beginning to occur. This hanging man was accentuated with the TD sequential, an indicator which predicts the end of a trend. It does this by tagging candles from 1 to 9 in a trend, and then when it reaches a 9, it suggests there's a 1 to 4 hour correction, or even a reversal in the trend. So this hanging man was a vital piece of evidence to suggest that the trend was about to change. Another one was the RSI trend line on the 1-hourly in Bitcoin. As you can see, since the 24th of June, Bitcoin had been creating a trend line which had held. However, it was struggling to go any higher towards the end and seemed to form a double top in the short term. Furthermore, there was bearish divergence, which also suggested the price was going to go down soon. And when the price broke this trend line, it was a key signal that the price was going to retrace. I didn't know it was going to be so violent, but there was definitely going to be some sort of retracement at this level. Now, when you use all of these indicators in confluence, you can increase the probability of your trade working out and being in profit. So that's how I entered my trade. That's how I shorted the top of Bitcoin. Now, is this actually the top in Bitcoin? Well, the TA suggests it is. Now, why is that? If we zoom out onto the daily, we can see that there is a bearish engulfing candle which engulfs the last 1, 2, 3, 4 candles, which suggests that the bears have a lot of momentum and strength right now. It's also a massive candle which ranges $3,000 approximately, which is another bearish sign. The fact that it doesn't wick out much also indicates this reversal is key. Furthermore, so far the weekly looks to be forming a shooting star, which is very bearish as all the buying, as it suggests that the bears overpowered the bulls, bringing the price down. But the most important factor for me calling the top is the volume, as this is the highest volume we've had since the capitulation from 20k to 6k in 2018. Now, where do I believe Bitcoin's gone to retrace to? Well, we can work out reasonable retracement levels using the Fibonacci retracement tool. And if we go from the bottom to the top of the last trend, we can see key levels at the 7.3k to 6.9k region in the golden pocket, and also 8.5k and 9 and roughly 10k, which is the 0.382. I do not believe we're going to go to the 0.382 though, based on the strength of this candle and how it's likely to have some follow through. The 0.382 also doesn't match up with much support, as there's only one point where it acted as resistance. However, I believe that a 0.5 and the golden zone will act as greater supports for the price of Bitcoin, and may be potential higher low zones for Bitcoin. This is because Bitcoin consolidated between the 0.5 and the golden zone. So naturally, both the top of this consolidation region and the bottom of the consolidation region will act as support. However, there is not enough price action yet to suggest where Bitcoin will retrace to. Going back into shorter term timeframes, we can see though that Bitcoin has formed a descending triangle in the 15-minute, and it has a short-term target which would bring the price to, if we just calculate it, $8.8k, which also implies that the 0.382 won't hold the price. However, this isn't indicative of a bottom. And that is everything for today's video. And if you liked the video, please press the like button, slam the subscriber button, and tick the little bell. Thank you for watching.